Hi everyone, Nino De Vitis from REHAU Civil. Today we're here to talk about the REHAU Awadock connection. The Awadock is a fitting that we have that allows you to construct either an internal or external drop structure into any of the REHAU DN600 or 800 maintenance chambers or our DN1000 maintenance hole. The Awadock is a rubber ring jointed connection that you simply connect your PVC pipe into and allows you a watertight and fully tested connection into our chamber. The installation process is very simple. We simply use a 200mm hole saw such as this one to core a hole in the exact location and height that you require. Once that's completed, we insert the rubber boot, making sure that the arrows on the front face are in the vertical position. We then lubricate and install the Awadock into the rubber boot using the clock face handle as shown here. The clock face handle simply engages with the front of the Awadock and allows you to wind that in. Once that is been installed, you end up with a fully tested and WSMA approved connection for your pipework. For more information, please contact your local REHAU rep or any of the Reece Civil or Viaducts outlets across Australia.